don't know why I trained for that. Took business machines and bookkeeping and all that crap. Never did a thing with it.
Kind of changed over the years a little bit. Once we got the computer
I
thing
worked
down.
part-time.
Yeah, but she was fast on that abacus.
Abacus?
You know what an
Abacus
abacus
is? It's accounting.
Kind of, yeah.
You know, I got school credit for working. Made
So funny, haha.
$70 a week worth of this.
What do you use for all that, with all that money? What do you buy?
Well, you know, we make $17–18 a week now, but it's worthless.
Kind of minnows and stuff. That's
That what that is?
little ripples there.
Are they moving? They look like they're dead.
Something's
Full of
moving
minnows.
over there. Looks like they may be eating a little bugs on top.
I gotta wait till my legs up.
I got a alarm setting.
You ready for the Dow Jones to dip by about $4,000 come July?
Why?
Because
Oh, usually I
that's
say,
when
I have an
all
outer
the
box if you
quarterly
want, I just
reports for all the corporations will have been in since the
wear one.
devastation in Japan.
Yeah.
Go back and
This
forth.
is smoother.
And not just the Japanese companies, but the all the companies that rely on Japanese parts, like circuits and stuff.
Great. Can't wait.
It's been really underestimated, the impact on the global market.
Oh, did
but
you get
now,
that video, by the way?
you know, it's just a matter of time till the earnings reports are in.
Great.
Every quarter.
That'll be awesome.
Yep.
Can't wait.
I got some sunglasses. I don't know how to see what I'm looking at.
You want them off, Grandma?
You can always buy put options against all those companies and bank on the stock market crashing.
Everything looks
Make a lot of
better
money.
through those rose-covered glasses.
Yeah.
Put option
Well,
is
there's
like
a bear there and a
it's like
lion
a
over
bet
there.
that a company's gonna die.
You don't believe me?
I'm listening.
What happens?
It's taking off now.
I was gonna say I can't keep up when you go that fast.
Yeah.
That way ahead of me.
No, they're going to sleep. I don't want to need that.
There's some nasty looking water.
Sure is.
I
Guess
don't know
we haven't had
anything.
any rain for a while to refresh it.
And this is the driest month of the year, so.
Yeah.
You see in Europe they're praying for rain. Literally.
Texas too. See, the Governor Perry said we all need to pray for rain.
Who said that?
Governor Perry.
Even in Europe, the agnostic area over there is praying for rain so July.
Don't we have some Native American dance in our heritage that we could do? Rain dance?
Yeah, there's always fluctuations.
I think
all
that's
over
peeing
the
on a
place.
bush, isn't it?
That's where I'm afraid to let
Hey,
go.
Dad.
My legs have gotten so weak from sitting so
Are you?
much.
I'm a little worried she'll just like fall.
Why don't you sit down, Mom? You're kind of shaking a little bit.
Just there. I think she's moving her legs.
They're kind of twitching a little bit.
You feel all right?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Okay.
I think she was going like this, Uncle Ron.
Oh, was she?
I'm not going to fall.
Well, they want her to exercise. Problem is the clot not getting circulation.